The tourist people right here. They ban trip down low, return we are. Chúng ta ở trên chợ. Lớn ở trên chợ. Ui. Trôi ra nó. Lưu sắc cho tức lên trên đó nó. Ngồi vô mò đâu Rhode Island và Providence, City of Providence. Lâu ní vô mà chập lia nấu nông ti krong Providence. Giờ mơ tầm mơ môi nia tha lòng băng nâng miền lia phần man tràn ọt và tiết khơi nha. Đây chuyện đây sầm mót Rhode Island mà tạm tầm mơ cái lên cái swan lia. Wow, boiling water bà, mình đang xây là khóa mấy từng nước buộc lang mà về đây vậy, chấm lại, nó khơi miền này, so it's like oxygen from underground, yeah, buộc lang mà. This pier Rhode Island ba semotนี่มาเที่ยวทะเลครับทะเล Rhode Island Providence จะมาดูเขาจับแบบหอยกาบไหมวะStui khné stui bàn tray chẳng vậy. Khắp.
Hey, I got a workout. Oh, you I'm on full.
Low
way out.
I'm only right now. You need not. I'm we chop right now.
I told you it's not.
Hello, one more.
Can we just stay in park? Wait, look. Let me go back there.
Good. You can cross. You cannot come back. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All the tourist people right here.
Come on. Real hunter. So is she coming back around here? Yeah, she is. She's heading back. She's already heading back. Because, yeah, he has to go.
Tourist people
Take you about an hour to walk
ទៅ
there.
បានពាក់ដល់ផ្លូវ U-turn វិញអស់ចេះឡើងតែអត់ចេះចុះ
Lên nè. Mình play á. Dạ, mình play á. Cho đặt mấy cái
ចេះឡើងអត់ចេះចុះនេះ
mình
បាទ
Okay, now you walk.
នៅល្អស្រួលអព្រមលូនព្រៃគ្នា
She better hurry up then. We on video. Say cheese. Go mommy. She like grandma. And when she Sit down, take picture. Sit. Mama, coi. Sit down, baby. Oh my goodness. You better hurry up. You guys hurry up.
Yeah, can we get wet right here now នេះទឹកចូលទៅនោះ លូវាសាក់ចូលទឹកនេះចេញទៅនោះ
Oh, is somebody fall in there, huh? Like go.
Let's go swimming. It's so beautiful, huh?
Oh, it's so cute.
They didn't have water earlier. I know. Within like 30 minutes. Have it been 30? Only 20. Mai Kaito.
She's supposed to say that's art for men model.
Tàuទឹកអត់ទៅឡើងទេបាទឥឡូវត្រឡប់ទៅវិញទឹកឡើងទៅដោះ
In the water. Oh, it feels good.
Remember like we went to Colorado?
We're short. You know we're going to the beach.
I worked for it and then they said it was cold.
No, we're gonna go to the beach. Ain't cold here.
They said it's cold. That's why I went to Baba.
No, it's not cold. Even though Tatter.
They said we get cold.
No, not cold. No.
Oh man ចេបទីន Oh my god it hurt
Go.
Yeah. Oh
Do you say thank you to Grandma for carrying you?
Okay, let's all take